All right, we are going to go ahead and read our warm-up for today. You are using the same word problem sheet that you used on Tuesday, the one that started with Dan has 16 blue marbles. So I'll give you a second to go ahead and grab that again. If you remember on Tuesday, we did 1, 2, and 3. So today we are going to do 4, 5, and 6. So go ahead and grab that, come back, and let's go ahead and take a look at number 4. As I'm reading, remember you are just listening. And then when I finish, you are circling your numbers, looking for a keyword. You're going to go ahead and write your problem and solve. Don't forget, I'd like to try for you to do it as much on your own as possible, just so I can see how you're doing independently. It is okay if you make mistakes and need to correct things, but I would like to see how you did when you tried it on your own. So let's go ahead and read number 4. Number 4 says, Mary grew 10 carrots. Sally grew 36 carrots. How many carrots did they grow in total? So go ahead and circle your numbers. Look for a keyword. Write your problem out to the side and solve. You can go ahead and pause the video now so you can do that and then come back for number 5. Number 5, there are 27 pine trees currently in the park. Park workers will plant 21 more pine trees today. How many pine trees will the park have when the workers are finished? Number 6, Alyssa picked 48 apples and Fred picked 39 apples from the apple tree. How many apples were picked in total? Go ahead and pause the video. Solve, write your answer. When you're done with those, you should have 1 through 6 completed. You'll save that for the end and you'll snap a pic and upload it after you finish your graph work today.